Good evening, students. Today we'll explain that packet trace activity which I gave for last exam, right? Packet trace exam, practical test. So the topology is this one. So I will open the topology. So you already have MCU here. Okay. Sometimes in the question paper MCU will be there, so no need to add the MCU. Okay. So here MCU is there, security control is there, then cloud is there, DNS server, router. So cloud is a server you want to configure. Do not touch DNS server. Okay, and security control also don't touch. Programming should be done in MCU. This don't touch. Okay, and this device I need to add, so I already added. So I'll check the question. See, my question is add IoT devices, rocker, switch, fan, blower. So you know how to add. Go here and type rocker. Okay, you will get rocker. I added. Then fan also, FAN, fan added. Blower, like a fan, BLOW, I added, and I changed the name. Okay, MC is already here in the topology, so no need to add again. Again, in this topology, you don't want to click that OK 5 to 6 times. I made the topology like that. You don't want to click OK many times. Just open the file, it will open. No need to click the OK button. Okay. So in the exam, maybe if I ask this, no, the topology, no need to click OK button. It's already done. Just open it by clicking the profile name, your name and your email ID will open. Okay. After that, add network device switch one. This one, okay, already added. So here, which switch you have to add? Go here in the switches. First one, 2960. This is the one you should add, 2960. Because other one, no, there will be ports will be less or maybe different ports. You have to add 2960 switch. Okay. Then add end device laptop and name it L2. Okay, so I'll go here. Add a desktop, but I need laptop. Delete this one. I'll go to here laptop. I'll make this LT1. And rocker switch and fan to MCU, security control and all this okay, but the important thing is security controller to MCU should be must be using D0 D1. Security controller should be connected to MCU using D0 D1. Okay, so here security control MCU must be D0 D1. So go here, click this D0, this one D1. Okay, after that others rocker switch and fan to MCU you can use any pins, but IoT custom kit. Rocker switch and fan. Go here. Rocker switch and fan to MCU, not security controller MCU. Okay. So go here. I use MCU D2 any port except D0 D1. Okay. Because in the question paper I told security control MCU only using D0 D1. So this will be this rocker switch and fan connect to MCU with any port. These do 3 D3 like that D4. So now next is IoT custom cable, okay? And fan also D0 to D3. Done. Then security control and laptop to switch one S1. So this one and this one laptop to S1. So you know to connect any device to switch we need fast Ethernet cable. Or straight which one? Giga or fast Ethernet straight through cable. Okay, I'll take this. I can see fast Ethernet port available in S1. So I'll connect like this. Okay, laptop also I'll connect the fast Ethernet to switch one. Then switch one S1 to router RTR. Okay, so again switch the router straight to cable. Then now blower to switch DC. Blower to DC switch. Okay. So you know to connect any device to switch we need straight through cable. Any fast Ethernet cable. I'll take fast Ethernet cable. Go here. Okay. By default I think fast Ethernet cable blower has fast Ethernet. If this device is now any device not having fast Ethernet cable, what you should do, you know that. Okay, example, see this one actually have this one. So if you don't have this port, you can connect any port. Okay, F0 or any port. Don't put G0, put any F0. If any device like say light, if I ask you to connect to lamp, I want to ask you to connect to switch. When I try that straight through cable, yes, fast Ethernet is not available. So what you should do is click the lamp, go to advanced IO config. This one should be third one, none MAFI, CE MAFI, CFE, copper fast Ethernet. Okay, then try to connect the device to switch. Okay, any fast Ethernet port. Don't go for Giga, go for fast Ethernet. Okay, Giga means speed difference will come. So, but here we don't have that. We don't want to connect LAN, but still I'm telling you how to add fast Ethernet port. You have to choose the device. Okay, again. Choose the device. There is advanced. In advanced, go to IO config. Then network adapter. You should choose CFE fast Ethernet. Then you can connect. Now it's not needed. Just delete. Okay. Now what's next is enable and configure DHCP service on cloud server based on the server pool with below parameter. Okay. So here cloud server, go to cloud server, cloud.pk, services DHCP should be on, make this on, then server pool is available already. Now what I need is I want to give the start IP 200.165.209.75. Okay, so 200.165, 209, 75. Subnet mask is 255 three times by default class C. 10. Now, if you try to add, it will show error because we are not adding the new pool. In the existing pool, server pool, I am editing. So if I click add, it will show error. Already exists. So what you should do? Save. If I ask you to create a new pool, then you give the new pool name, all values, then add. But if you are using the existing server pool, just click save, 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 save. Okay. That is done. Now enable IoT service in the same cloud server with the account given below. Username is student ID, password I will pass. Okay. So I'll go here. The services again IoT enable by clicking on. Now I want to go to the and to check the IP address of server 265, 265, 209.1. This is the IP address of server. Many people try to open the IoT server by giving starting IP of the DHCP. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. So when you are entering the DHCP IoT service, don't use this IP. This is for DHCP starting. You have to use the IP address of server itself. Okay. So that's why I go to the server, copy this address, and already IoT service is turned on. If you don't turn it on, you cannot open the service. So always turn the service on. Two the service you have to turn on. One is DHCP. You have to enable the DHCP service by turning it on. Then start IP and all those things. Okay. IoT also go to IoT services on. Now go to desktop. Copy the IP address of the server. Close this. Go to the browser or IoT monitor. Anything. Either you can open browser or IoT monitor. Anything. No issue. I just open the browser, enter the IP address of server, not the DHCP starting IP. This is not the one you are typing. You are typing 200.165.209.1. This IP address server. Okay, go. Now they ask username password. I didn't register the username password, right? So first time when you are trying to register, no, go to sign up now. The IP username they give is student ID and password I will pass. Okay, so student ID say example 66J1234. Password I will pass. Enter. Now enable DHCP client on security controller laptop LT1 blower. Okay. So here security controller enable DHCP. Go to security controller config First is a net, make this DHCP, then you will get an IP address. Then security controller laptop also same, open laptop, either desktop IP address this option, or what you will get IP now, or you can do config fast ethernet DHCP. Both are same. Already we have clicked, that's why it's showing DHCP. If it is not DHCP, if it's static means make it DHCP. Okay. Now one more you have to enable DHCP in blower. Go to config fast ethernet, or here also okay, but I'll go for fast ethernet DHCP. IP address. Now register security controller and blower to cloud server using IoT account. Do not register laptop or computer. Only the device which are mentioned in the question. Security controller and blower to cloud server using IoT account. Okay, so read the question properly. So go to security controller first. First thing, there is no IoT server here. You are in config mode. Go to any other mode. So nearest one is physical. Come back to config. You could see which one, remote server. Sometimes the IP will not be there. What you should do, you have to give the IP address of which machine, the server machine. Server machine IP is, I know, 200.165.209.1. I already copied, right? So the same, you can go and go to the desktop and check the IP. So I go here, same I copy paste. What are the IP address? What are the username I gave? 66, I think J1234, and password was I will pass. I think so. This is the username password. Check. If it is showing refresh means the device is connected. See, when you go to the server, you can see the device connected. Do the same thing. Don't do for laptop or desktop. It's only for IoT device. And next one they ask is blower. Go to the blower. Do the same step. Go to physical. Come back to config. You could see remote server. Click remote server. Username pass. IP address is 200.165 on that one. Then 66J1234. I will pass. Done. Okay. After that, write a Python program in MCU. Perform the following task. Okay. Import the modules. Declare pin mode input outputs. Variable rocker equal to get input of rock switch. Okay. Now go to MCU. This is a confusion. Mister Both are looking MCU, but this is security controller. Do not touch this. Already it is programmed. Go to MCU. Click this. Where you connected the devices. Click that device. Okay. Go to programming. New. Do not touch here. Click new. You can give any name, even if you don't give also no issue, but here go here, do not choose empty python, go down and choose, sorry, go down and choose blink python, create main.py, double click this one. Now which is input, which is output, when I turn on the switch, the activity is like when I turn on the switch, fan should be on, blower should be on. This is input device, these two are output device. Okay, even still you don't understand means check the question. Condition, if rocker switch is on, then pin 1 of security controller fan on, like that. Okay, so if part is input device, then part output device. Okay, so if part is input device. Okay, so what I will do, will go to the this one. So what are the output devices? Only input device is rocker switch connected in pin 2. Okay, remaining 0, 1, 3 are outputs. Okay, so I'll go here. This is the program. This header file I told you, packages we are calling. Now here, see that main function we have a column, press enter key, then pin mode 0 comma out, 0 and 1 are connected to security controls. Okay, then have 2 and 3. 2 is input, okay, the pin where we connected rocker switch to MCU. So pin mode 2 comma pin pin mode 3 comma out. 3 is connected to fan. Just put space. Now while true, what I will do is I want to read the value of rocker switch. Okay, I put to put a variable name. See the variable name what they put is rocker equal. Okay, so I will also put the same rocker, any name but some meaningful name. Okay, equal to, I told you input device means read function. What is the read function? Just open this device. Which read? Kautra was asking this read or write. Read for input device or write for output device. Which read, digital or custom or analog, depends upon the specification for the device. Okay, there is nothing written here. So what you can do is this connected digital device, right? So I'll use digital read. So rocker equal to digital read, in that R is capital. Which pin number I connected rocker switch? 2. Okay, and if rocker switch is on, then make the fan on, security controller pins 0 or 1 on, 0 off. Let me check that which one condition. Pin 1 of security controller high, pin 0 low, and turn on the fan. Okay, so I'll write here if rocker equal to high. There are two methods. One is you can use high or you can use 1023. Both are same. Okay. Here I am writing a rocker equal to high, 2 equal to we need, then colon. Inside this you need to write the other statement. So that's why after colon press enter key. Wherever the cursor is coming, where you want to put the next statement. So digital write of 1 comma high. First pin of security controller high, 0th pin low. So tell write of 0 comma low, and fan should be high. So what is the function used for fan? Go here and check which function specification. I can see custom write. See custom write. Fan on means say 1 means low speed, 2 means high speed, off means 0. The function you should use is custom write. Okay. So I will write here which pin number 3. Custom write of 3 comma say 1. Else if the rocker switch is off. So else part put colon, then here make the 0th pin high, 1 first pin low, okay, and third pin 0. That's what they written now. See here, high pin 0th pin high, first pin low, turn off the fan. Write the opposite. Okay, where is NC here? I will copy. Sometime copy paste will show up. Let me see. Okay, I'll put 0 comma high, 1 comma low, and the fan should be off. So 0. Then this sleep okay, and this part no need. This is the default program right now. Okay. Now let's see it is working or not. On digital read, so I put R should be capital, right? So I'll maximize this. See here, R should be capital. So this one, 0. No error. No error means blinking will come. Always check this indentation. After while true, colon and enter key where the cursor is coming there you should type. Okay. Now let me see. Turn on the switch. Okay, actually it's working. This part is okay. Now what I will do, go for the server part. Okay. Perform conditions in IoT monitoring cloud server. Okay, IoT monitor. No issue, you can even do the server also. Security control alert is off, turn off the blower. Control is on means turn on the blower. Okay, so here I will go to the server. You can either add the condition here itself or you can open the IoT monitor. Okay, here also you can add the condition or okay, here also you can add simply add or you can open the IoT monitor. Both are same. I give marks even if you do both. Okay, anyone is okay. As I mentioned, I just go with IoT monitor, both options. Okay, I just want to explore both options. Really, that's why I did two things there. Okay. Also, IP address of same server. Okay, so here 200.165.209. In the exam, maybe not the same IP I will give. I'll give the different IP of server. Check the server IP in the server desktop. Okay. Username password also I will not be the same. This is just one example. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. J is capital in our example. I will pass. Now go to conditions. Condition 1. Just I put on 1. Any name. You need to name when give a name, but not meaningful or something. You can just give condition 1 or CY and 1 like that. Okay. Security controller. What was that? Alert is off means turn off blower. Okay. Alert is off means then blower status off. Okay. Sometimes it's not added means whatever you do take a screenshot. Okay. And count 2 security controller alert is high, then blower status high. Take the screenshot before you click the OK button. Take screenshot. Sometimes you remember for the during the practical tests, I think Fatma and most of you didn't get this condition. So what I told you, take the screenshot of this picture. Okay, before clicking OK. Okay, this is done. Now it's working. Take the every even when you do something, take screenshot. Okay, when you add write the program name MCU, when you add devices, when you write the condition in the server, take screenshot. Okay. Now go here. What they tell is execute the code and verify results. Okay. So I'll go here and run enter the turn on the switch. See, fan is running, blower also running. This is the output. Okay. You have to take the screenshot. Then once you run the program, no stop it. Otherwise, if you run infinitely, maybe it will cause again error. So you have to close it and open again. So better once you finish this, go here and stop this. Okay, then it will also be stopped automatically. This is the answer for practice activity 4. Okay, I'll save it here. Okay, hope you understood. So PKT 5 I think. Okay, answer.